wanting to create your own bluesy music but not sure how to improvise? Let's take a look at 5 tricks and make your blues playing sound awesome. Hi there, I'm Kylie and we love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire students to learn the love of music here at our music studios. So let's jump into 5 tricks that help us to improvise with the right hand. If you'd like to know how to play the main bass pattern for the 12-bar blues, then check out this first lesson here. Today you can play the left hand too, or just concentrate on playing the right hand riffs if you like. Our first trick is to work out the blues scale notes starting here on the C. Reach to our flat 3, sneak your thumb onto the 4, play flat 5, sneak again to 5 with your thumb, flat 7, and then we're back to our C again, and we can practice our thumb passing under again. To get the feel of this, let's play as we say, walk, 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 walk up the piano. Let's use our thumbs mostly on the white keys and our middle finger on the black keys to connect our sounds, making it legato and smooth. Now to add some rhythm, we can say swinging, 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 wait. Let's try that. Swinging, 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 wait. And let's do exactly the same notes and the rhythm up an octave. So start from the C, 8 notes higher, and let's play it again. Swinging, 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 wait. Pause here if you like and do this riff as many times as you need to get it super comfy. 1, 2, ready, play. Now that we know our basic notes to improvise around, let's mix up some rhythms and also the direction in which we can play, and this can make it quite interesting. This time let's start at the top and come back down our blues scale. Let's look at our fingering and the notes coming down from our C. Now to experiment with this downward pattern, let's start up from the high C and throw in a quick triplet or a 1, 2, 3 rhythm. So you can say a 1, 2, 3 and then swinging, swinging, wait, and then down to the next C and say 1, 2, 3, swinging, swinging. But this time let's add an extra swinging, going back up to the flat 3 and the C. So let's do that together. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, swinging, swinging, wait. 1, 2, 3, swinging, swinging, swinging. 1, 2, down we go. The whole first section was based on a chord 1 or C for the left hand so far, and so we've just kept the left hand pattern going in and out. This third trick with the right hand features just a few notes. Now as our bass pattern changes to chord 4 or F, head the right hand lower as well and tip over to this flat 7. We can play up and down these 3 notes to give a little feature. So play the C, and for the rhythm, let's say hold, swinging to lean down for a moment on that flat 7, and then 4, C hold, so hold, 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 and then we're going to swinging back up and down again to the flat 3 and then the flat 7 to return to the C, which we keep holding on as well. Let's take a look. So holding our C, and then we come in with our hold, swinging, 1, 2, 3, 4, swinging, swinging. For our fourth trick, the left hand jumps back to our C position. And with the right hand, let's feature another upward run with a triplet of 1, 2, 3s and some more swingings, and then a new offbeat of crushing the notes together. Stay with me here. It's not too scary if we break it apart, and it ends up sounding quite cheeky and fun. So we finished by holding our C note. So let's put that down and say hold, 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 and then this run kind of bursts up from the flat 3 for a 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then into 2 swinging, swinging, swinging. So let's do that again. We're holding the C, and then we say hold, 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 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, swinging, swinging. And then we can finally say offbeat, offbeat. And here I'm crushing our flat 5 to the 5 and playing each time I say beat in the rhythm offbeat, offbeat. Holding our C, ready, play. Hold, 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 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, swinging, swinging, offbeat, offbeat. Let's put the first 8 bars of our 12-bar blues improv all together. 1, 2, ready, play. The final trick goes up and down our blues scale, creating a pattern on the G note, and then this same pattern can move down to the F note. This repetition of patterns is called a sequence. If you're playing hands together, then you might notice that when we move our left hand to our chord 5 or to our G, then we also play our right hand G riff at the same time. So we'll start on the high G or our note 5, and we can swing up, then swing down, then triple it. So swinging, swinging, 1, 2, 3, wait. Let's do that together. Ready, go. Swinging, swinging, 1, 2, 3, wait. Now we step everything down to the F sequence. These blues notes are still going up and down in the same directions that we just did with our G riff. We're now just starting on the F. We say swinging, swinging, 1, 2, 3, wait. 1, 2, ready, play. Swinging, swinging, 1, 2, 3, wait. And then let's crush the last 4 notes down to our C note. Hold, hold, and then on the ing we can play back up our C, flat 3 and 4 notes as before. And then love that blues on a G7 chord, which I'll model the notes. We can play Gs in the left hand and then build up a 3, 5, 7 and 8 on top of our Gs. This chord turns us around to start our 12-bar blues again. Love that blues. Okay, let's put all that together from our G. Swinging, swinging. Let's put all that together. 1, 2, ready, play. Thanks for staying with me to the end. Let me know in the comments section how you went with today's ideas. Be brave and keep on experimenting, and thanks for watching.